Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Ella Ben. In today's video, we are going to learn how you can achieve these ruffles in the simplest and easiest way. This is a requested video by one of my subscribers. I know that many of us knows how to achieve this, but today I'm going to be teaching you how you can achieve this in the simplest and easiest way. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, share and comment, and do not forget to hit that notification bell up there so that you will be notified anytime I upload a new video. Okay, so let's get started. So now, guys, I have cut my ruffles. As you can see. I just cut them now. I measure 3 inches, because I want my ruffles to be somehow bold, I want it to be bold. That's why I go with 3 inches. You can go with any inch you want. It depends on your preference. But for me, I'm going with 3 inches. Okay, I've cut my ruffles. Remember, this video will be short. It's a short video. Okay, so I'm going to take them to the machine now and start, stitching them. So where we focus on is how I'm stitching them, because that is the simplest and easiest way to gather these ruffles. Okay, so let's get to the machine now and start stitching. Okay guys, now I'm going to show you how you can get these ruffles so easily. So as you can see, I've done this already. So you just put your ruffles on your machine just like that, and you begin to paddle your machine just slowly. You push your ruffles like this and it will be going. So let's start. Can you see that? It's very easy. Just slowly, and it's moving. Remember, I did not fold these ruffles. If you watch closely, it is open. I'm stitching at the center. Okay, now I'll be drawing it like this. When you are done with this, you can take another one. You can see another one like so. You lift it up, join it, and start again. Just push, and to be giving you a nice gather. Oh my gosh, so nice. You can activate your speed somehow. Okay, just do it slowly. Remember to open this ruffles, stitch on the center of this, and it will give you a nice look. Okay, so this is the simplest way you can gather it. When this finish, you add another one. Like so, and you keep stitching. You can get as many ruffles as you want. Can you see that? It's so easy. Hope you guys are enjoying my video. Please give me a thumbs up. Like I said, before. That is a short video just to show you how you can achieve these ruffles so easily. Can you see that? Wow, it's so nice, so nice. See, it's very nice. I love this. I love this. I love this. Can you see, guys? It's very nice. Can you see it? It came out so nice, so nice, so nice. Okay, you keep stitching until you get the length you want. Okay, to get the length you want. Okay, guys, as you can see, the ruffles came out so nice. So for you to attach it to the fabric now, what you need to do is to press it open with your hot iron. Not just hot, just mild somehow. Just press them open. You press all through, okay? So that when you'll be adding it to your, when you'll be attaching it to your fabric, it will be so easy for you, okay? You won't be having stress, okay? Remember to subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up, okay? Please like, share, comment. If this video is helpful to you, invite your friends to my channel. And I want to use this medium to thank all my subscribers out there. You guys are wonderful. You guys are really making my days. You keep me going. In fact, you guys are wonderful. I love you guys, and God will continue to bless you all for me. Okay, so you press it open all through. Okay, now as you can see, guys, I have pressed it open. It's now wide open. So I'm going to show you how you can attach it to your fabric. Just little, you know. Just how you can attach it to your fabric. This is a net fabric. It's just a net, okay? So I'm going to use it for an example. So you go to your machine, take your ruffles like this, okay? Place it on top of your fabric and start stitching. Remember, make sure you top stitch on top of the first stitch. This one now, this stitch here. Make sure you top stitch on. Just go slowly. You back stitch, then you go slowly. Okay. Can you see? Wow, it's just very easy. You just go slowly. You top stitch on top of the first one, okay, and it will come out very nice. Hope you are enjoying this simple video. Like I said before, my subscribers, please keep watching my video. Watch this video to the end to get the teaching very well, okay? So subscribe to my channel. If this is your first time you are coming across my channel, you are welcome. I welcome you and I love you. So keep watching, keep watching, keep watching, keep watching, and God will bless you. Okay, I love you guys. So can you see how it came out? Very neat. Wow, so nice, so nice. So guys, I think we have come to the end of this video today. Like I said before, it's just a short video and I know it will be helpful to you. Okay, so I love you guys. See you in our next tutorial. Bye.